Son, can I see the face wash you're using right now?
Sure, just give me a second.
I think you should stop using this face wash right now.
And why is that?
Have you ever heard of parabens?
Mom, have you ever heard of a bright, shiny face? And what even are parabens? And why are they getting in my way of a harmless skincare routine?
Was he using a face wash full of parabens? So, let's make homemade paraben free herbal face wash. But let me share something with you all in the meantime. Parabens are used almost everywhere in the world in skincare products, cosmetics, and even in food items as preservatives. They have excellent antifungal and antimicrobial properties. That is, they restrict spoilage by bacteria growth. If they are so beneficial, then why are they even a reason of concern? Well, parabens are not as innocent as you think they are. These chemicals get absorbed into the skin if you use cosmetics containing them. At lower concentrations, parabens can be broken down by your liver and get excreted via the urine. But their long, continuous use can lead to the start of a slow burning curse where each exposure may make the surface glamour shine, but the damage runs skin deep. Long term usage of parabens can lead to their buildup in the fat tissue, breast tissue, blood, and even the placenta, which literally nourishes new life created on earth. Parabens have also been found in marine animals, including the liver, muscles, gills, and the brain of fish. This indicates how extreme paraben contamination is in the environment. Parabens in the body mask themselves and act like the estrogen hormone. This makes the body feel like its estrogen levels are very high. Now, here's where the danger kicks in. Estrogen is the hormone involved in the growth of breast tissue. High levels of estrogen can lead to the uncontrolled growth of breast tissue, thus causing breast cancer. This statement is supported by the October 2015 study conducted by the University of California, stating that parabens are more carcinogenic than ever thought. Even though the FDA has allowed the usage of parabens in a controlled amount, highly toxic parabens like methyl paraben, isopropyl paraben, benzyl parabens, and more are banned by the European Union. Though hormone therapy can be used to block the excess estrogen and thus prevent cancer cells from growing, cancer can return due to the residues left by the earlier cancer occurrence. All of this happens just because of a harmless bottle of cosmetics someone decided to buy. Which is why prevention is always better than cure. Our herbal and completely natural face wash is ready already.
Wow, Mama, this face wash is completely herbal and has every ingredient which keeps our skin purified.
I'm so glad you liked it. Tell me such more ingredients which you can use for this herbal face wash in the comment box below. Hey!
Can you guess the carcinogen for the next video?